In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the document theme in Google Docs. Changing your document's theme can be a fantastic way to enhance its visual appeal and make your work stand out. Let's walk through this process step by step to ensure it's smooth and easy for you. We'll begin by opening your Google Docs and accessing the document you want to customize. If you aren't already at this point, pause the video and get your document ready. Now that you've got your document in front of you, let's proceed to the next steps. First, you'll want to direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen where you see the File option. Click on File to open a drop-down menu filled with various options. From this list, we're focused on finding Page Setup, which is located towards the bottom. Clicking on Page Setup will bring up a new menu that will allow us to modify various page settings. Now that you're in the Page Setup dialog box, there's a key setting to adjust. It's labeled Apply To. This setting determines which part of your document will be affected by the changes you're about to make. You may see it set to something else, so click on the drop-down next to Apply To. Make sure you select Whole Document if it isn't already chosen. By applying the settings to the whole document, you ensure that the theme change will be consistent across all pages, providing a unified look and feel. Next, we get to the exciting part, changing the theme. In the same dialog box, you'll notice an option labeled Page Color. This is where your creative choices can come into play, allowing you to change the background color, effectively altering the theme of your document. Click on Page Color and a palette of color options will appear. Take your time exploring these colors and choose the one that best fits your desired theme. Whether you prefer a bold, vibrant color or a soft, muted tone, your choice will personalize your document's aesthetic. Once you've selected your preferred color, you're almost done. Simply click OK to apply these changes, and voila! Your document now sports a freshly updated theme with a new background color. This simple tweak can dramatically change how your content is perceived, making it especially useful for presentations, reports, or any document needing that extra visual pop. And there you have it, a straightforward way to change the document theme in Google Docs. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful, and feel free to explore more of our videos for additional tips and tricks on making the most out of Google Docs. Enjoy customizing your documents.